This is a 59 Buick LeSabre, and it's convertible. It almost looks, it's a dark green actually. It's not that sunny out, it's a little overcast. I thought it was black, but I think it is a dark green. And it's a very dark green. True wire wheels. And two-tone interior. It's got off-white top and pretty much matched into the interior too. You get the little wings. Notice the mirrors on the side. Notice that up on the antenna. Nice touch. It's probably how it goes from the factory. You also notice how the wipers are. They used to be like that, where they turned into each other, and you had that spot in the middle, like when the snow and ice that accumulate, you wouldn't be able to see in the middle of the windshield, right? That's how they used to be, man. But I don't know. Still worked fine. Very nice instrumentation panel. You got your coon skin freaking thing, rattle tail there. Pretty cool, man. Boop, boop, boop. Space age interior. And you notice no liners in these roofs, man. They're just, it's like there's your boot. Oh, that's one thing I used to like about the other convertibles. You can leave the top up. You can zip out the window. And you got, you're out of this, especially if it's, I don't know, it just blows the air through, You can be out of the sun or the rain, pretty much drive like that. Look at that back end too. They ain't too cheap to make cars like this anymore, aren't they? Big time.